Hi there, everyone. Thank you so much for coming back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn about how to record the screen in laptop. Okay, it's a very easy way, simple method, and through that we can enrich our experiences. Nowadays, YouTubers and many content creators are using this simple method to share their knowledge and experiences. So let's dive in. Okay, first of all, we have to see the laptop and find out the Windows button, and after the Windows button we have to press G with the Windows button. Okay, so after pressing that there will be a bar. Okay, Windows plus G, just making it clear so that you can understand. There will be, after just pressing that, there will be a portion of recording, and we need to press it after the window pop up, then the screen will get automatically recorded. Thank you so much. Hope it was very useful.